Ever felt like your business is a runaway train, careening down a track without a clear destination? Leads pouring in, estimates flying out. But where do those jobs actually go? You're not alone. Welcome to the age of information overload. Amidst this chaos, there's a tool that promises to be your conductor, orchestrating your business symphony with precision. HouseCall Pro's Pipeline. But what exactly is Pipeline? Is it a magic wand that transforms leads into cash overnight? Or is it just another software promising the world and delivering little? Let's dive deep and find out. Imagine your business as a garden. You plant seeds, leads, nurture them with care, estimates, and eventually harvest the fruits of your labor, jobs. Pipeline is that intelligent gardener, guiding your plants from seedlings to blossoming blooms. Let's start at the beginning. How do you actually get started with Pipeline? Picture this: you log into your HouseCall Pro account. There, nestled among the familiar tools, is the Pipeline icon. It's like discovering a hidden treasure chest. Click on it, and a new world unfolds. Now you're staring at a board. It's not just any board. It's your command center. This digital landscape is divided into columns, each representing a stage in your sales process. From new lead to book job, every step of your customer journey is mapped out. But how do you populate this board with your precious leads and estimates? Simple. HouseCall Pro automatically syncs your data, filling the pipeline with potential. It's like having an army of tiny elves working tirelessly behind the scenes. Let's talk about the heart of Pipeline, the cards. Each card represents a lead, estimate, or job. It's a living, breathing entity carrying vital information about your customer. You can click on a card to uncover a treasure trove of details, contact information, service history, and even notes from previous interactions. But what truly sets Pipeline apart is its ability to automate. Forget about manually shuffling papers or chasing down customers. Pipeline has your back. You can set up automated emails, SMS, and even voice messages to guide your customers through the process. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. For instance, let's say an estimate has been sitting in the estimate sent column for too long. Pipeline can automatically send a friendly reminder to the customer, gently nudging them towards a decision. Or perhaps a job has been booked, but the customer hasn't confirmed the appointment. Pipeline can send out a confirmation text, saving you countless phone calls. But Pipeline isn't just about automation. It's also about visibility. With a glance, you can see exactly where your business stands, which stage is overflowing, which one is lagging behind. This real-time information empowers you to make data-driven decisions. And let's not forget about collaboration. Pipeline isn't a solo act. It's designed for teams. Multiple users can access the board simultaneously, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but is it really worth the effort? The short answer is yes. By streamlining your workflow, improving communication, and increasing efficiency, Pipeline can significantly boost your bottom line. But remember, Pipeline is a tool, not a magic wand. It's as effective as you make it. To truly harness its power, you need to understand your business, set clear goals, and customize Pipeline to fit your unique needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy pipelining.